Here's some early colonizers trivia. Subscribe. What country sponsored Columbus's 1492 voyage? Is it A, Italy, B, France, C, Spain, or D, Portugal? The correct answer is C, Spain. Which colony was founded by the Pilgrims? Is it A, Roanoke, B, Jamestown, C, Plymouth, or D, New Amsterdam? The correct answer is C, Plymouth. What was the first permanent French settlement in North America? Is it A, Montreal, B, Jamestown, C, New Orleans, or D, Quebec? The correct answer is D, Quebec. Which of the following was a major cash crop in Virginia? Is it A, rice, B, wheat, C, corn, or D, tobacco? The correct answer is D, tobacco. Who mapped much of the North American coastline? Is it A, Vasco da Gama, B, Hernan Cortés, C, Henry Hudson, or D, Christopher Columbus? The correct answer is C, Henry Hudson. What was the principal export of the Carolinas? Is it A, sugar, B, wheat, C, rice, or D, silver? The correct answer is C, rice. Who was the leader of the Pilgrims? Is it A, William Bradford, B, Miles Standish, C, John Smith, or D, Roger Williams? The correct answer is A, William Bradford. Which Native American helped the Pilgrims survive? Is it A, Sitting Bull, B, Squanto, C, Pocahontas, or D, Crazy Horse? The correct answer is B, Squanto. Which colony was founded as a refuge for Quakers? Is it A, Maryland, B, Virginia, C, Pennsylvania, or D, Massachusetts? The correct answer is C, Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.